Our today presentations. Today presentation is based on the interview question for the bank trainers, and some part of these questions are used for all person who are working or for applying works in any office industries. So please, if it is necessary for you and for your friends, share and subscribe my works. Certainly here are 10 interview questions for bank trainers along with sample answers and descriptions. Question number 1 says that when responding to the common interview questions, these questions or question number 1 are common for all interviewers persons. That questions: could you tell me about yourself? Could you tell me about yourself? Certainly, these questions are common for all. It is essential to focus on your professional backgrounds, the key achievements, and how your experience aligns with the specific roles you are applying for. Here, an example for these questions are the complete questions and answers absolutely. I'm a session professional with a strong background in your field of study or the industries you feel these gaps over the past. Maybe you have experiences you should be list your experience in a number over the past numbers of years. I have gained valuable experiences in mentioned key skills and responsible. In my previous role at a previous company, I highlighted significant achievements or responsibilities which allowed me to mention skill or qualities that set your parties. So for these questions, you should be talk about your background of study, starting from your name, place of birth, and the schools what you are learning, your skill, your experiences, and your hobby also included in detail for these questions. Answer concluded with a mention of a personal interests or hobbies, offering glimpse into your personalities and ends with an expression of ignorance and commitment to contributing to the prospective companies. Question number 2. Can you explain the importance of customer service in the banking industries and provided an examples of how you have effectively trained bank staff to deliver exceptional customer service? Second question said that the answer for this question is customer service is a crucial aspect of the banking industries as it directly impacts customer satisfaction, loyalty, and the overall reputation of the bank. This means the definitions of customer service. It involves not only meeting but exceeding customer exceptions to build lasting relationships. As a bank trainer, my role your role is to ensure that the staff members understand the significance of customer service and are equipped with the necessary skill to deliver an exceptional experiences. So you detailed talk your role in that. Question number 3. How do you tie up on industry trends and changes, and how do you incorporate these knowledges into your training programs? The answer: I actively engage in industry forums, attend workshops, and subscribe to relevant publications. This ensures that my training programs are not only based on fundamental banking principles. That means the bank has its own fundamental principles, but also incorporate the latest industry trends and regulatory changes. For example, I recently updated our training modules to reflect the latest advancements in digital banking technologies. Question number 4 says that describe a time when you had to adapt your training approach to meet the diverse learning styles of your trainers. This shows the durations of time. The answer for this question is answer. In a previous training session, maybe if you are trained before this, I recognized that the participants had varied learning preferences. To address this, I incorporated a mix of visual aid, interactive activities, and group discussion. This approach allowed each participant to engage in the learning process according to their preferred style, resulting in a more effective and inclusive training experiences. Question number 5. How do you assess the effectiveness of your training programs, and what metric do you use to measure the success after you completing the training? How you evaluate the results of the training? The answer for this question is I regularly gather feedback through surveys, post-training assessments, and performance metrics. By analyzing the key performance indicators such as customer satisfaction scores, employee retention rates, and the applications of learned skills in real-world scenarios, I ensure that the training program delivers tangible positive results for both employees and organizations. So the answer for this question is this. Question number 6. How do you ensure that your training programs align with the overall strategic goals and values of bank? How do you ensure that your training programs align with overall strategic goals and values of the bank? The answer for this question is I start by thoroughly understanding the bank's strategic objectives and values. This knowledge guides the development of training programs that directly support these goals. For instance, if one of the bank's priorities is to enhance or increase cross-selling, I design training modules that equip staff with necessary skills and knowledge to achieve this objective. Question number 7. What strategies do you employ to keep employees motivated and engaged during the training session? The answer for this question is maintaining training engagement, I incorporates the interactive elements such as a group activities, role playing, and case studies. I also encourage open discussions and create a positive learning environment, recognizing and celebrating individual and team achievements during training session, further fostering motivations and enthusiasm among participants. Question number 8. How do you address challenges of training employees on a new technology and digital banking service? That means the industries have a challenge through training. That means how can controlling that challenges and digital banking service. Answer for this question is understand the importance of staying current with technological advancements. When training on a new technology, I break down complex concepts into digestible modules, provide hands-on experience, and offer ongoing support. Additionally, I emphasize the benefits of embracing technologies, illustrating how it enhances or increases efficiency and customer satisfaction. This question is answered by this. Question number 9. Can you share examples of a time when you had to train a team through such a significant organizational changes, and how did you ensure smooth transition? The answer for this question is in a previous role, I led a training initiative during the merger. Two is the transitions. I conduct change management workshops addressing the concerns, providing clarity on the benefits of the merger, and preparing staff for the change ahead. Open communication and emphasis plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth training process and successful integration. Question number 10, and the last question is how do you handle the resistance to change during training, particularly when introducing a new process or methodologies? So the answer is resistance to change is not uncommon, and I address it through effective communications. I explain the reasons behind the change, highlighting the positive impact on both individuals and organizations, and actively listen to concerns. Additionally, incorporate change management principles to ensure a smooth transition, fostering a sense of ownership and involvement among the trainers. This question is the last question. Those questions are top 10 questions for interview question for the bank trainers. If it is good or if you are happy, please subscribe my channel and share for your friends. Thank you. We will see by next video or similar video with this. Thank you everyone. Thank you.